Hi, today I am doing the second part of differences between British and American English. The differences between British and American English. Vocabulary differences part 2. British English queue, American English line. British English high street, American English main street. British English phone box, American English phone booth. British English post, American English mail. British English underground, American English subway. British English lift, American English elevator. British English film, American English movie. British English fire engine, American English fire truck. British English car park, American English parking lot. British English crossdads, American English intersection. British English driving license, American English driver's license. British English gear lever, American English gear shift. British English motorcycle, American English motorbike. British English pavement, American English sidewalk. British English zebra crossing, American English crosswalk. British English roundabout, American English traffic circle. British English indicator, American English blinker. British English aeroplane, American English airplane. British English windscreen, American English windshield. British English dear, American English expensive. British English football, American English soccer. British English draughts, American English checkers. British English noughts and crosses, American English tic-tac-toe. British English holiday, American English vacation. British English jumble sale, American English yard sale. British English timetable, American English schedule. British English bonnet, American English hat. British English plimsolls, American English gym shoes. British English clothes peg, American English clothes pin. British English Wellington boots, American English rubber boots. British English jumper, American English sweater. British English dungarees, American English overalls. British English trainers, American English sneakers. British English swimming suit, American English bathing suit. British English kit, American English uniform. British English braces, American English suspenders. British English tea towel, American English dish towel. British English zip, American English zipper. British English waistcoat, American English vest. British English dressing gown, American English bathrobe. British English wardrobe, American English closet. That is the end of today's lesson. Let's meet again in the next lesson. That's the end of today's lesson. Subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel and join with us. Thank you and have a nice day.